Hi, let's make a greeting card. First, take one paper, fold it half, then draw like this. This is a pull me card. I am making it for Grandparents' Day and you can make it for any occasion. This is how it looks. Then cut this piece like this. We are just cutting in one half of the paper. Now in a different color paper, draw two circles. Then cut it like this. Now take a glitter paper and cut it as a rectangle, which is bigger than our cut. Now draw anything in the two circles, which we already took. Now I am drawing grandparents in one circle. In another circle, I am drawing grandchildren's feet. Now give outline for your drawing. So this is how it looks. Take a rectangular white paper and stick it under our cut. Write any message like this. Stick all sides by keeping the glitter paper in like this. Paste one drawing in right end of the cut. On the another end, stick the double side sticker on the glitter paper. Stick the another image there. Now pull the glitter paper and write the message. The pull me greeting card looks like this. Hope you like it. Subscribe and support. Thank you.